I will show you how to create crew in GTA 5 online. First, open your browser. Type Social Club. Select GTA 5 Rockstar Club. Make sure you log in first your Rockstar ID that is connected to GTA 5. After that, select Crews. Search Create Crews. Fill in everything like your crew name, tagline, to color, and others. After finishing, save this cruise. Click Yes. After that, you enter GTA 5. Press ESC on the keyboard, select Online, click Cruise. Congratulations, you have successfully created your cruise.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.